eggs are a great source of protein, and we always look for a variety of recipes to make eggs with. So today I'm going to show you guys a lovely egg frittata. Let's get started and check out the recipe. For the frittata, I'm taking 6 eggs. Add some salt, freshly crushed pepper, just going to add 1 tablespoon of milk, whisk the eggs for a few minutes. Take a pan. I'm going to make the frittata now. First, I'm going to saute the vegetables. Take 1 tablespoon of butter. You can either use olive oil or regular cooking oil. Butter gives a nice flavor, so I'm using butter. First, I'm going to add a few cloves of garlic that have been finely chopped. Next, add 1 large onion that's been finely chopped. Once the onions are transparent, add 1 small capsicum chopped. Add 1 red capsicum small chopped. A few mushrooms sliced. So I'm using these vegetables for this frittata, but you can use any other vegetables of your choice while making the frittata. Season it with a little salt, freshly crushed pepper. Next, add a teaspoon of Italian seasoning. Now, this is optional. If you don't have, don't worry about it. And a teaspoon of chili flakes. Keep the flame to a low and pour the egg mixture. Make sure you cook this on low flame. Close the pan and cook till it's completely done. So the egg frittata is done. I'm going to turn off the stove. You can see it's all cooked through. You can serve it hot immediately. You can enjoy this egg frittata as is. You don't need any accompaniments to go with. You can use a variety of vegetables or meats while making the egg frittata. You can get a copy of our first edition of the home cooking book on Amazon and 21 Frames.